So environmental toxins like mercury or toxins in your water, these are very important things to look at to see whether or not toxins are clogging your metabolism, which is making you tired. There's actually a pretty lengthy fatigue checklist that I use when people come to see me in my office. The first thing I look at is nutrition. And it's not just what you're eating, which is important, but it's how you're eating. Are you skipping meals? But I also look at deep nutritional insufficiencies or deficiencies. In other words, I look inside your cells to see if you have enough nutrition to make your cells work properly. The second thing I look at are all your hormones. You know, all your hormones are an orchestra, they work together. So the adrenal glands and the thyroid gland has to be working in unison. Those hormones both have to be healthy in order for both to work. So I look at all your hormones. The third thing I look at are toxins. So environmental toxins like mercury or toxins in your water. These are very important things to look at to see whether or not toxins are clogging your metabolism, which is making you tired. The last but not least is chronic infections. And so sometimes people have chronic infections and their immune system isn't working properly to help fight those infections, and so we work on that as well.